wants coffee. My mom lives overseas, diba? I make videos with her. Hi, can I have one campfire latte?
Tawag lang siya mama.
Never mind. Isa pong toasted caramel cream, cold, regular milk, and then dalawa pong Niseko signature.
Ice po, yung Niseko.
Ice everything.
Anong milk po ng Niseko?
Regular.
For both?
Yes. Oh my gosh, nagitingan po ako pala. Hi guys, can you say hi? Is that El Boco? Thank you. How do you say the word? View the label. Fitting done. Bestie K, mag-order na naman. Suka ka na ba sa akin? Ayun lang.
Naamoy pa yung stick. Naamoy po. Dito yung hangin. Yan eh. Papaito ko bukas na hindi ako nakakain mo nita.
Stop ka na.
Kailangan niya energy ko.
Oo, kailangan ka na. Kailangan ko ng pinto.
Kaya ako yung nag-take out yung last time.
Kailangan ikaw yung umarang sa kanila na. Medyo puno na ba? Cut-off na po kami. Ganun. Kailangan ka namin. Wala kasing ganun kanina. Kaya hirap na yung kami.
Wala ko eh.
Ano, parang naman ako nagmumukbang dito ng trigger.
Mukbang.
Parang kawawa naman yung manager ko doon.
Right now, we have coffee.
Paparating na sa Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station. No Avenue Station. Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station.
Evan, ikaw na mag...
Cheers! Pwede na ba to? Or wait lang?
Yes. I'll take a parang when he Yeah, we're neighbors of the where. It's like a mix of different types. Tapos parang it's not parang the like taste is like the gummy bar talaga. Parang gummy siya.
Okay.
Pero can you taste parang gummy?
Yeah, I kind of more like peach notes. Pwede na naman
Yeah. Pero fruity no, like because it's not like yung parang bitter na.
Yeah, and then yung ale niya after the water.
Gummy sour.
You have something to taste.
Type of like parang